In a decisive action to address the alarming rise in student suicides across educational institutions, the Supreme Court of India has established a task force aimed at enhancing student safety and well-being on campuses. This move comes in the wake of distressing pattern of student deaths linked to various forms of campus distress, including sexual harassment, ragging, and caste discrimination. The bench, comprising Justices J.B. Pardiwala and R. Madhavan, expressed profound concern over recent incidents in college hostels, emphasizing that these tragedies are not isolated but indicative of a broader, disturbing trend. We deem it necessary to discuss the pattern of student suicide. What disturbs us even more is that they are not isolated incidents, the justices stated, highlighting the urgency of the situation. The task force will be led by former Supreme Court Justice S. Ravindra Bhatt and is tasked with submitting a comprehensive report within 4 months. This report will aim to identify the underlying causes of student suicides and propose effective measures to strengthen preventive mechanisms. The committee will also include secretaries from key departments such as higher education, social justice, women and child development, and legal affairs, ensuring a multifaceted approach to the critical issue. The formation of this task force was prompted by a petition from the parents of 2 students who tragically took their lives at the hostel of Indian Institute of Technology, Delhi, in 2023. The grieving parents alleged that their children faced harassment on campus and demanded a thorough investigation into the circumstances surrounding their deaths. The Supreme Court criticized the police's handling of the case, particularly their decision to close it after inquest proceedings. The court asserted that such closures were insufficient when allegations of harassment exist, stating, if there are allegations and parents feel children were harassed, it was the duty of the police to register FIR. This initiative reflects a growing recognition of mental health issues among students and the need for educational institutions to foster safer environments. Reports indicate that India has seen significant increase in student suicides, with male student suicides rising by 50% and female suicides by 61% over the past decade. Factors contributing to the crisis include academic pressure, social isolation, lack of support systems, and pervasive discrimination. The Supreme Court's establishment of the task force marks a crucial step towards addressing the mental health crisis affecting students in India. By investigating the root causes of these tragedies and proposing actionable solutions, there is a hope for creating a safer and more supportive educational landscape for future generations. The next 4 months will be pivotal as stakeholders await the findings and recommendations from the newly formed committee.